Greetings and salutations, guys. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm here today with a very exciting video because I have a very exciting unboxing that I want to do with you guys. And it just arrived. It's from Poshmark. There's the tape right there. So I'm itching to open this up. But first of all, if you guys have thrifting, thrift hauls, vlogs, home decor videos, unboxings, do not forget to subscribe with the little bell button so you're notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram. It's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here. Check out my shop. It's itsHadrian.com to see whatever sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's hop into this unboxing because I cannot wait a second longer to open this up. So, while I open it, I'll give you guys a little background story on this item. I have actually been wanting this item for a long time. I think it came out about 2 years ago, and I was like so close to like buying it full price because I really liked it. It's by a brand called Loewe. If you guys have been to this channel or have been watching my channel for a while, you'll know how much I am obsessed with Loewe. I have so many Loewe handbags. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 bags, then I have one like change purse thing that's in the shape of an elephant, and I am obsessed. And this is something that I wanted so bad, but it was so expensive. I think it was almost $2,000 retail, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna wait and like hold out and see if I can find it like secondhand later on, and I did. And I got this for like, I think the low price of $600. I know that's still a lot, I understand that, but it's such a good deal, and even if I were to resell this item, I would be able to recoup my money and then some. So it's almost like an investment, you know. So opening it up, in the little dust bag. So this did come from Poshmark. It went through the authentication process through Poshmark. Here's the little the little card thing that goes with it. So if you order anything $500 or more via Poshmark, the item gets sent to Poshmark Authentication, where they will look over your item and authenticate it, and they give you this little card to go with it that it is in fact an authentic item that they looked at. And here is the dust bag. The Loewe dust bag is very like nondescript. It pretty much just has the little Loewe sign right there in the corner, but I am so excited to open this up. Okay, are you guys ready? Oh my gosh, it's even cuter than I thought it would be. Okay, so I know this is ridiculous, but this thing is so gosh darn amazing. Let me attach this over here actually. This is the Loewe whale. I think it's called a bum bag, but I'm probably gonna wear it like kind of crossbody-ish. Let me just fix this because it's kind of... Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is seriously so cute. Like, I don't even know what to do with myself. It is... Okay, so the bag is in the shape of a whale. And it's made of grained calfskin leather. There's the underside. And then you can attach it like this. And wear it like it's a bum bag, or you can wear it like crossbody like this, I think. So I don't exactly know how this would go. Ah, there it is. It's like across the chest. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And then the inside is just lined also in like leather. You guys, this is so cute. Look at his little tail. And this is like the perfect like summer bag because it's a whale, and it's just like he's just like across your chest like this, or you can, again, like I said, wear them like a fanny pack around your waist, or you can carry it like across like a handbag and carry it like that. I would probably always carry it like this. So this is so cool. So you can have him going this way or have him swimming up or whatever. But oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. I love kind of like these whimsical type of bags like this that are like, they're a handbag but they're also something else. And this is in like new condition. It says the Loewe made in Spain right there. Let's see if we can find like the serial number thing inside of here somewhere. You guys, this bag is so cute. Okay, I can't really find it right now. It's like really hard, but I'm sure. Oh, it's right there. Duh. The number is actually right here. Embossed. Do you see it? It's like right there. But this bag is my new summer bag, which I am very happy about. You can definitely use it as like crossbody, you can use it as a bum bag, you can carry it as a handbag, or you can just remove everything and use it as a clutch. You could probably even get away with kind of using it as a charm on a handbag, and that would be super duper cute. You can just get like a little ring thing and attach it onto a handbag, because it's actually not very heavy at all. It's actually pretty light. I have handbag charms that are more heavy than this, but the detail in this is amazing. You can see the leather, like this quilted detail along the bottom, and the Loewe is known to like make these really cool leather like animal shaped bags and pouches and wallets, and they do such an amazing job. Like the eyeballs are everything. Its little tail is so stinking cute. And I think this is actually in collaboration for some sort of charity, I think. I'm not 100% certain. But I'm so happy, you guys. This bag is beautiful. And I cannot wait to use it. This is so exciting. The strap is just like this fabric strap, nothing too crazy. It has like little leather pieces on the ends, and then it just has this little snap closure like that. This is actually my second Loewe fanny pack style bag. I do have also the Loewe puzzle bag in the bum bag style, but I've also pretty much just carry it crossbody like I would with this one. So you can wear it across your chest. You can actually wear it across your back as well if you wanted. And oh my gosh, you guys, this bag is so... It makes me so happy. Oh my gosh. I think, do I like it like this, or do I like it with the whale going the other way? Let's try it the other way. This is like a 10-minute video of me struggling to get this. Oh, like that? That's actually really cute too. Ooh, I actually kind of like that. Because then you have the zipper closer to you and then you zip downwards. Oh, yes. And then it looks like that. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm so happy. Okay. Welcome, the newest addition to the handbag family. Now, I know a lot of you guys also have been commenting and messaging me saying that you want a new handbag collection video, and I am going to film one now that I got this bag. I've been waiting for this to come in. I think I waited over a week for this. The post was like kind of lagging with getting to Poshmark, and then it had to go through authentication, and then it had to get mailed back to me, so it took a hot second. But I think right now my collection, I don't know if I'm going to be like really adding anything at the moment. I think I'm going to be I'm still on the fence with minimizing the collection of bags. I think maybe I'm not 100% certain. Just thinking about it kind of like makes me cringe, but I feel like I should maybe downsize just a tad bit, but we shall see. But I'm so excited about this bag. This is the newest edition. That one I got just before. I actually ordered this one first, and then I was able to get that Chanel Boy bag right after. So if you guys want to see that video, I'm going to have it linked as well, so you guys can check that out, because that is also a new bag that I just got recently at an amazing deal as well. And I was so super excited about it, because I would never be able to like afford these bags without them, like, or being able to like let myself buy them without the discounted price that I found them at. But it's just like amazing. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a big... Oh, and I bought this bag on they said that Poshmark. I did buy it on Poshmark. Remember, when you go on Poshmark, just please make sure to look at the item, kind of like compare it to other items that have sold that are supposed, especially when you're looking at high-end designer things. And I know that Poshmark does authenticate, but sometimes you can find things cheaper and aren't going to go necessarily through authentication. So please make sure, just do your research and be safe when you're buying these things. Sometimes you get tricked into buying things that are not what they appear to be. So yes, and okay, well, yeah, I can't even talk. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. What should we name this guy? I'm thinking like Humphrey Bogart. That's like kind of a cool name. I think he's a guy. I think he's like a whale, like a guy whale, a male whale, identifies as he, him, and yeah, he's so cute. So excited. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to say hi down below in the comments, especially if you guys are new to the channel. Welcome, so happy to have you guys here. I'm so sorry I'm like so tongue-tied in this video. I'm just so excited about this bag because I have been like obsessed with it for so long. It also came in a little like change pouch as well, and it was like a charm, and like that one was so cute. And I think I got this bag for as much as that one was retail. Like, I think retail it was like about $600 as well, which is crazy for like a tiny little change purse. But anyway, don't forget to check out tomorrow's new video bright and early at 7 a.m. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all at the next one. Alright, bye!